Welcome back, everybody. I have an exciting one today. Crunchwraps. The brand new Blackstone 36-inch Pro Series in all its beauty, available at Walmart, down with the cooking oil of your choice. For me, it's typically going to be extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. And just like I say in all my videos, be careful. I'm using my bare hands. You might want to use tongs or protective gloves. That's a super hot griddle top. A shout out to my friend Colin from Texas. Gave me all the wild hog chorizo. I drove down to our local Taco Bell yesterday to get a couple of Crunchwraps, see what they're all about. So a flour tortilla. Inside they had a ground beef mixture with spices and a combination of tomato, lettuce, cheese, and sour cream, maybe a couple other things. So I'm gonna make my own version of it today. You could obviously do this with ground beef, with breakfast sausage, with chorizo. You could probably do chicken. You could even do a steak Crunchwrap. If you have questions about the brand new 36-inch Pro Series, go to my personal YouTube channel, Todd Toven on YouTube. I have a video on the griddle. If you're using pork, like I am today, you want to make sure you cook that very well. This is one of the things I like about chorizo though. Look at that. That is flavor and look at that. Looks like our chorizo is cooked to perfection. Let's pull that and we'll get ready to make our Crunchwraps. Not necessary to clean in between the cooking of your meat and your Crunchwrap, but we're just gonna go ahead and neaten up the griddle. So a light scrape, throw everything back into the grease cup, and there we are ready to go. I think the last time I made those Crunchwraps, the one and only time, I used tortillas that were too small. So I definitely recommend using a large burrito-sized flour tortilla. You want to have plenty of room for everything. First things first, you want to get some really good Mexican melting cheese. This queso quesadilla works really well. I've seen videos of this where people use Tostitos queso spread. So we're going cheese and then the meat, the chorizo. In no particular order, we have shredded lettuce. I think they probably use Iceberg lettuce at Taco Bell. I had green leaf lettuce. Tomato, down with diced tomato, crema or sour cream. I'm gonna use a little bit of fresh chopped cilantro, a tostada, so basically a crispy fried corn tortilla down on top, followed by another layer of cheese. I think I stuff mine a little bit more full than they do at Taco Bell. I've seen videos where people just take a little street taco flour tortilla, put that right in the middle like this, and then you start folding. I believe it's a 6-sided Crunchwrap. I'm not gonna tell you how stressful that was folding those up. I kept forgetting how many sides there were. I had 4 or 5. We had to start over, so 6. We have 6-sided Crunchwraps. I turned my griddle down to low. We don't want these to burn. We're gonna put these fold side down at the beginning. I'm gonna press them down a little bit. Remember, we have a tostada in there. You might hear a little bit of cracking. We just wanna make sure everything seals together real nice, and then we toast that open side. Most grocery stores sell tostadas. Like I said before, it's a crispy fried corn tortilla. You might have a few that are broken right out of the package, but if you can't find them, you can just buy regular tortilla chips or Doritos and use those as well. It's been at least 4 minutes. Let's take, oh yeah, I think we're good. We're gonna go ahead and flip these. We can always flip them again later, but you can see it looks like everything is sticking together. They look really nice. When I posted my video on the 36-inch Pro Series, The top question was, Todd, can we cook with the hood closed? Todd, can we close it? Yeah, that's the point, seriously, of the hood. It's for cooking. Obviously, it's gonna protect for storage, but the bigger reason is it's for cooking. Think of it as a basting dome. You wanna toast these up. You wanna put a little water on there and create some steam. You wanna steam veggies, you wanna baste eggs, you wanna melt cheese on a hamburger patty. That's what the hood's for, so you can definitely use it when you're cooking. But first time griddle users, remember that griddle cooking is totally different than cooking on a grated grill. These aren't 45-minute cooks. Everything you cook on a Blackstone griddle is gonna be 10 minutes or less. So you're never gonna have that hood closed for more than 30 seconds, minute and a half max. Woo! Speaking of cooking, look at that. Beautiful. Let's take them over to my cutting board. I think I'm gonna top these just like I do my quesadillas. So a little drizzle of crema down the middle, along with a little more of that chopped cilantro. Take a look at that. It's Crunchwrap time. I think I need to give one of these a try. I'm not much of a fan of prepared salsas, let alone the refrigerated salsas, but this Herdez salsa, buy that in the refrigerated section, top notch. Been using it like crazy. Loving their guacamole, loving their salsas. I'm gonna go in for a bite with salsa. We'll go in for another crunchy bite here before we say goodbye. So good, so crunchy, so filling, and it really hit me when I was making these. You can make a myriad of combinations. You could do refried beans. Kim suggested refried beans. We could do a breakfast one with eggs, with bacon. I think the possibilities are endless. So now that I'm back in Crunchwrap mode, who knows, maybe you'll see another Crunchwrap video coming your way soon. So thanks for watching. Please leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below. And until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the Crunchwraps.